Here's to the fastest way on how to make money in 2020. Alright, we're living in 2020 right now. This is the new year for everything. And I've been blessed to be given a chance to do a lot of consultations and giving a talk to a few numbers of people. And one of the main questions that all of them always ask is, what should they sell online if they want to start? The problem right now is that is the mainstream way of thinking about it. For me to start with, I'll always love and I respect a lot people who have skills, because you can actually make a lot of money from skills, okay? From the skills that you have. Look back at ourselves and think about what can we actually do that can give value to people. For example, I started my online marketing career by doing graphic design. That's how I started. And then I literally went to people from Facebook, Instagram, and asked them about my service. Tell them that I want to do this if you want it. And then, yeah, I have one of my clients who's actually a masseuse, and he didn't know actually what he wants to sell, but I asked him what skills does he have within himself, and he said he can massage people, and he thought it's funny. But I think of it in a business way, and I asked him to promote his massage skills to people online. The differences that he made is that he went to people's houses and massaged them from home. Okay, look back at all of the skills that you have. Can you fix a bike? Can you make up people? If you don't know how to start, just don't think about getting products online. What should I sell? This will delay our movement on how and when to start, because we have to start right now. Okay, so if you don't know what product to sell yet, just look back at your skills and you can actually make shitload of money from that. Okay, list out the skills that you have within yourself. What can you actually do? And now think of all of these skills and see if it can give value to people. If it can, and then focus on promoting it online. Okay, here's a little tip. Promote this thing. For example, right now, let's go with one skills. If you say you can, for example, make up people, okay, and now go to Facebook or Instagram and find people who you think need a makeup, and then DM them and say you want to do it for free. Do it for like 7 to 10 people. Then get the testimonials from there, and then use that testimonials, and then go to the next person and give them the price of your service and show them the testimonials that you already have based from the free services that you give. Start with that. If you want to start, this is the best way to start. Try it and let me know what's gonna happen, okay?
Hey guys, I've got some good news. I'm gonna be releasing a new product soon. I'm not sure if it's gonna be ebook or video format yet, but what I'm sure is that this is gonna definitely help you with your business, especially in 2020. So now I wanna give a good offer to those who are watching this. You, that's what I mean. Now help me fill up this waiting list form. I'll put the link here or in the comment section, and then fill it up so that I can know that you're interested, so I can give you the special offer once it's ready. Okay, fill it up.